Okay, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can like go from this to this using like a regular scarf. And this is like really affordable because I got both of them for $1 from Dollar Tree. I got a blue one and the red one from Dollar Tree. Both of them were $1, so like 50 cents each. So like a 50-cent top. So yeah, so I'm gonna use a red scarf though. So yeah, so you're gonna need the scarf and a needle and thread, or you can use like a sewing machine, but I think like a lot of people may not have sewing machines, so a needle and thread would probably be more like, you know, like easier to get and probably easier to use because some people don't know how to use sewing machines. But yeah, so you're gonna need that. Okay, also you're gonna need some strings. I actually had like 2 of the same length, but I lost one, but it's actually like 2 shoelaces, like the round kind, if you can see. So I just cut them in like 3/4 and 1/4, or you can use the same lengths and cut them after like installing them, but yeah. So yeah, that's it. That's all you're gonna need. So to start off, what you want to do is fold the scarf right here into a triangle like this. Then to sew, you're gonna sew like bend this a little like this, and then sew on the inside right here, like sew this part down and leave like a little space so you can pass the string through. And you want to do this on either side, so this and this, so on both sides. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be back. Okay, so I've sewn each side like this, and I'm not the best seamstress, I'm not a seamstress, so don't judge me. This is what it looks like. That's the outside, this is the inside. Don't mind that end, just look at this. And yeah, so now you're gonna take this end right here, so have it like this, and turn, like fold it like a V, I guess, this way. Then what you want to do is sew along, let me see, like sew along here and leave a space at the top so you can pass the string through. So yeah, so I'm gonna do that and I'll be. So before we get started, I tried to put on the top while filming, but I was not able to because I kept like, you know, revealing myself, so I'm sorry about that in case you wanted to see me put the top on. But all I did was just loop this string through here and both sides in the back, and I tied them together. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. If not, then I apologize. I'm out of breath. But yeah, so this is what the top looks like on. And you can see it's like a triangle type thing, loops here and in the back. I think it's really cute though. And this is what the back looks like. So yeah, I'm gonna show you like the entire thing on my body instead of just like my half body, and you'll see. And yeah, that's it. So I do hope that I'm out of breath. So yeah, this is it. That's the end of the video. I do hope that you enjoyed and you try to like recreate this like if you like it. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my other videos, and like leave some suggestions of video ideas down in the comment section below so I can do those. And yeah, once more, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my other videos.